Hello all and welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to discuss TCS NQT qualified test which has been recently announced and opened applications for August 2021 and November 2021 examinations. So before moving into the video guys, so this is my new YouTube channel RKS EduTech. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay connected. I will upload a series of videos on TCS NQT, how to prepare for TCS NQT and interview, and you can also check my journey into TCS in my YouTube channel. So I will share you those links in the description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. So here TCS has announced NQT qualified test. So applications are opened for August and November 2021. And what is this national qualified test? So what is the use of this national qualified test? So those who are all thinking or wondering about this NQT test, after you taking this NQT test, you will get a score and get a chance to apply in different kind of MNCs. We will discuss about what are all those MNCs and where you can use this NQT score. Who can apply for this NQT? So if you are from undergraduate or PG or diploma students in their pre-final and final year, they are eligible for application. So students with any degree and specialization are eligible. Like, so any degree in the sense they are referring like if you are from EEE, civil, mechanical, CSC, any background, they are going to consider you for these examinations, and those members who are applying has to be freshers and should have less than 2 years of experience. As I told earlier, so these are all the MNCs that are going to give applications or interviews based on your NQT score. So these are all the MNC companies that are going to consider your TCS NQT score and give placement chance in those MNC companies. So like TCS, Tata Electronics, Titan Company, Data Patterns. There are a lot of more companies you can check. I will give this link in the description. You go right away and check what are all the companies. So what are the different kind of NQTs they are going to offer for you? So we have NQT cognitive skills. I will discuss what are all the topics that are going to ask in this cognitive skills, and the psychometric test. In the industry, NQT they are offering on information technology and financial services. In subject NQT, they are going to ask on IT programming, basic computer skills, accountant. So here, depending upon your interest and depending upon your skill, you can choose any one of the NQT and buy it and take the NQT assessment. So what is the benefit of taking this NQT qualified test? So if you get a good score in this TCS NQT test, you will have a good scope or the exposure to attending interviews for the different kind of MNCs. So what is the journey in this TCS NQT test? So first we have to register, that we are going to discuss in this video, and after registering yourself you have to buy this TCS NQT and take the test. So they have opened applications for August and November examinations, so we have to take test in either of the slots and get a benchmark score with a validity of 2 years. In the step 5, apply for the corporate job as per your eligibility criteria. If you have any query on this TCS NQT test, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will try to reply back your query. Based on your interest and the skills, you can choose any one of the NQT. I am choosing this NQT cognitive skills, and you can sign up with any one of the accounts. You can sign up with Facebook, Google, Twitter or LinkedIn. So I am choosing Google here. So they are asking us to log in within Google account. Accept those terms and conditions, and here you are. So this is the registration page. So before you are going to buy, you have to fill all your details here, and they are providing one more pack. So here they are providing another pack called IT Career Readiness Pack. So in this pack they are covering NQT cognitive skills, psychometric test and subject NQT IT programming. So if you want to expand your scope and show your skills, you can choose this IT Career Readiness Pack. This is available for the price of 1000 rupees, that is 999, around 1000 rupees with the inclusion of GST. In this video, we are registering for TCS NQT cognitive skills. You have to give your all required details over here and provide your mobile number that will generate OTP, that will validate your OTP and your education qualifications. And here you have to select an examination date. Here they have opened for slots for August and November. Choose any one of the slot, and they are also providing in-center examination and online remote proctored assessment also. So based upon your conditions and your interest, you can choose either online or in-center. You just have to click here. So here click the checkbox and read all those terms and conditions before you clicking this checkbox. After typing the letters in the picture, click the checkbox and read all these 4 points before clicking the submit. After clicking the submit, you will redirected to pay the cost for this price. So after paying this cost for this price, you may get an confirmation mail to your email that you have been given here. So that's all for this video, guys. If you have any type of queries in this NQT test, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will try to reply you back. So I have uploaded, I have joined into the TCS in my journey into TCS playlist. I will share you the link of this playlist in the description. Do watch my journey into the TCS. So if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe and press the bell icon to stay connected to my further videos. So see you in my next video, guys. See you. Bye bye.